everyone. Are you tired of manually monitoring work done and the time spent by employees on the task? Then you are at the right place. Our AlianHub time tracker that streamlines this process for you. Let's view the time spent on the task by the employee and the work captured together. Introducing a time tracker to ease your task tracking. In this video, I will share how to track time automatically and manually with the AlianHub time tracker. Firstly, open the time tracker that you have installed in your system. You will see this login screen. Now, log in by your AlianHub credentials. Enter the email and password. Once it is done, click on the submit button. Thereafter, you can view the time screen to select the task. The time tracker is integrated with the AlianHub ERP. Thus, you will able to select the project, its sprint and the task and can easily track the time. Let's say in AlianHub ERP, our project HR project AlianHub is created. Here you can see the two sprints, design team and development team. And you can see the three tasks in the design team: brochure design, user interface design and logo design. Now, when you go with the time tracker, it allows you to select the project HR project AlianHub. Now you need to select the sprint, click on the list name and select the list, let's say design team. Now click the task by selecting the name, let's say logo design. The comment section is provided to enter the description of the task. Note that you cannot start timer without adding a description. Write the description, let's say working on the logo design. And click on start tracker. The tracker would start tracking the task. Now, go to the task in the ERP. Now move the task from to do to in progress. And make a comment that I have started working on this task. And click enter. The main benefit of time tracker is that it captures screenshot in a random time interval. In future update of this app, you will be able to view the number of times, the keyboards and a mouse click. Now you can start working on the logo design task. After the completion of the task, open the AlianHub ERP. Now, comment that I have completed the task. And move the status to done. Now, open the time tracker. Stop the task. Now, you can similarly follow the same process for the another task. For example, you can select the project, sprint, task and write the proper description here and similarly click on the start tracker. You can view the time log by going to the task detail on the AlianHub. Click on the log and view the time tracked by the tracker like this. To view the work screenshot captured by the tracker, click on the eye symbol. You will be able to see all the screenshot of the work done in the time log added. Now, you can click on the screenshot to view it in detail like this. Now, another way to view the tracker time is through the tracker timesheet. For that, go to the timesheet and click on Tracker Timesheet. You can change the date from here. Now here you can see all the capture screenshot organized in a time frame 17 to 18. You can select the time frame like this and view the work done by the user. To learn how to use the tracker timesheet in detail, watch the video given in the below description. Now, in case if you forgot to start the time tracker, then you can also add the manual time log in the task. For that, you need to open the time tracker, then click on Add Manual Time. Now you can select the project name. Let's say AlianHub ERP. Select the list name. Select the task and add the proper description. Let's say working on brochure design. Now you can select the date. Let's say 2nd. Now add the start time and end time. Let's say 5 a.m. to 6. From here you can see the total duration of the work. Once this is done, click on the submit button. And click on time log to check the manual time. Another way to add the manual time is going to the task time log. Here you can click on add time. Select the date, let's say 2nd. Add the start time and end time. Add the proper description, let's say working on brochure design. Then click on save button. Here you can see the manual time is added successfully. Furthermore, you can also edit or delete the time log manually. To edit the time log, go to the time log of the particular task you want to make the changes. Click on the edit button and make the necessary changes. Like this. Once it is done, click on the update button. Here you can see the manual time is updated. Same way, to delete the time log, simply click on the delete button. You can see the manual time is deleted successfully. Does the time tracker help in efficient work monitoring for companies, HR departments and team leaders? Time tracker is your key to optimizing productivity and ensuring efficient time management. Say goodbye to the manual time tracking and start boosting your team performance today. Thank you.